welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and please hit that like, because a like actually helps my channel. And today we're going to talk about the Zenith watch, sometimes called Zenith. I'm going to call it Zenith throughout this quick video. And the reason I'm focusing on this particular watch today is I'm going to be doing some work on the Zenith caliber 133.8 bumper movement. So the beginning of the Zenith watches in 1865, Georges Favre-Jacot, a 22-year-old watch apprentice, founded his own watch company in Le Locle, Switzerland. It's L-E-L-O-C-L-E, Le Locle, Switzerland. Although it would not earn an official brand named Zenith until 1911. But from the onset, Favre-Jacot's watch company was a very different type of watch brand. So at this time, watch artisans worked from different spaces and factories throughout the city. Watch components were then transported from their respective locations to a master watchmaker for final assembly. But Favre-Jacot consolidated Zenith's watchmaking under one roof and in turn created the very first modern manufacturer. This fateful decision would facilitate and hasten Zenith's technology, research, and development in its endeavors to produce some of the world's most precise timepieces. Chronograph in 1899, and soon after, founder Favre-Jacot won a gold medal at the Paris Universal Exposition in 1890. And throughout the early 20th century, Zenith's manufacturing plant steadily grew, and in 1948, Zenith broke out with its caliber 135, a chronometer movement with a small seconds hand, which ultimately received the 235 Watchmaking Award and prizes. So Le Locle, Switzerland, is situated, as you can see, right along the border of Switzerland and France. So I'm just going to zoom out here a bit, and you can see the heart is where Le Locle is. And as I just zoom out here, you can see Liechtenstein is there, and that's not Switzerland, it's Austria. And there's Switzerland. There's the border of Switzerland right there that you can see. So this is and Zurich is in the upper northern area over here, Switzerland. And you can see Italy down below. I think down here in Italy is Torino and Lugano. Lugano is very close to the Swiss border. So as I zoom in and focus on the heart, hopefully I don't miss this heart again here. Let's just focus on the heart here. And this is Le Locle, Switzerland. The municipality is Canton of Neuchâtel. Canton of Neuchâtel in Switzerland. So it has been cited as the birthplace of the watchmaking industry, and it roots back to 1600s. And companies like Tissot, Zenith, of course, is there, and Rolex is even in there. There's a Rolex over here, Le Locle Rolex. And here's the factory. Here's what the factory looks like in Le Locle. It's a beautiful area of Switzerland, by the way. You're in the mountains. And this is a city, even though to be a city in Switzerland, you've got to have more than 10,000 inhabitants. So it's very close to the edge of not being a city. And as I said before, this is where the company is in Le Locle, and the French border is right there. So you've got Switzerland on one side and France on the other. So you're in the center of watchmaking for Europe. So this is an artist's rendition of the watchmaking factory from way back in the early 1900s, and of course the founder of the watchmaking of Zenith, Georges Favre-Jacot, J-A-C-O-U-T, and he was 22 years old when he started his own watchmaking company, which is pretty impressive. Now I managed to get a hold of a very beautiful Zenith watch. As you can see, there's the watch there. And this is a 24 karat gold watch. The case and it is Favre, F-A-V-R-E, perhaps named after the originator of the Zenith watch company. And it looks like L-E-U-B-A, so people out there, you can help me with respect to this second word on the top of the watch. And it's a Zenith Automatic and Swiss made, so it's an old watch. And you look inside this watch, you will see the Zenith 133.8 movement. So unlike the modern approach to creating a self-winding watch movement, which features a free spinning rotor, it's able to create energy through rotation of 360 degrees. The bumper movement that you see in this caliber 1338 features a winding weight that functions like a tiny pendulum, and it moves back and forth as you wear the watch, and that it winds the watch as it progresses. And well, this is mechanically inferior to the modern style automatic movement that has a 360 degree spin and can wind in both directions. It is a very unique and very collectible watch, and quite an engineering feat. If you look at the movement very carefully, you can see two springs on the right and left hand side, and these springs are in fact the bumpers. This watch runs at 21,600 beats per hour, and it is a 21 joule watch, and it is Swiss made, and it's a beautiful, beautiful caliber. So in this upcoming video, I will be stripping down this watch for servicing. So now I'm personally inviting you to watch me work on this very unique Zenith caliber 133.8 bumper movement and its very beautiful timepiece. This is a unique opportunity to see this watch being stripped down and to enjoy the mechanical marvel that Zenith had created with this bumper movement.